Sabona mfundi, I want to give you more Ndebele verbs so that you enhance your speaking, right? So that you're able to express yourself more, describe more actions, right? Verbs are all about action words, angit. So you probably know the common ones like ukupheka, to cook, ukugijima, to run, ukudlala, to play, ukudla, to eat, right? But there are some more verbs that I'm going to be giving you in today's lesson, and I will also teach you how to use them properly. So let's start with this one. Ukuguquza. It means to scrub. Okay, here's how you use it in a sentence. Udadewethu uyaguquza nxa egeza. My sister scrubs when she's bathing. Okay, moving on to the second verb. Ukuphefumula. To breathe. All right. An example of a sentence. Wagijima waze wehluleka ukuphefumula. He ran until he couldn't breathe. Wehluleka ukuphefumula. He couldn't breathe. Okay. 3. Ukugamula. To chop down. Angithi, a sentence. Umalume ugamula izihlahla phandle. Malume is chopping trees outside, chopping down trees. All right. Number 4, uwenyanya. It means to be disgusted by. Uwenyanya. For example, mina ngiyenyanya ingcekeza. I am disgusted by that. Okay, ingcekeza. Ukukhafula. That is to spit out. Angithi, ukukhafula. Khafula lokho okusemlonyeni. Spit out what's in your mouth. Angithi, khafula. 6, ukuhlafuna. That one means to chew. Ukuhlafuna. Angithi, waze wayihlafuna inyama. You really are chewing that meat. Wayihlafuna. Angithi. 7, ukuginya. What could that mean? It means to swallow. Ukuginya. Angithi, here's what you can say. Akuginye isichwala leso. Something that mothers like to say to the kids. It means swallow that pap. Angithi, isichwala, pap. Sadza, and it. Akuginye isichwala leso. Swallow that pap is what she's saying. We move on to ukukhaba. To kick. Ukukhaba. Angithi, usihle ukhaba ibhola. Sihle is kicking the ball. All right. Ukulawula. It means to talk a lot. Right. Ukulawula. Umachuma uyalawula. Machuma loves to talk. She goes on and on and on. Talking. Angithi. And then we have ukukhamisa, which means to open your mouth. Angithi. If the doctor says to you, khamisa sibone amazinyo. Open your mouth so we can see your teeth. Right? Khamisa. Hope you're following and learning something. Angithi. We move on to the verb number 11, ukuthunga, which means to sew. Angithi, ukuthunga. uLifa uyakwazi ukuthunga amajazi. Lifa really knows how to sew jackets, amajazi, angithi. And lastly, we have ukugeba. Ukugeba means what? To dig, angithi, ukugeba. Ubabakazi ugeba umgodi. My aunt is digging a well, angithi, ugeba umgodi. Right, so those are the verbs I have for you today. Let me know if there are other specific ones that you want to learn, and I'll teach you some more in upcoming lessons. See you next time.